Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about filter method. Now here comes the next important method from Stream API, that is map. So what map do? It actually used for transforming your record. So it says it is used to transform the elements of a stream by applying a function to each element. So guys, this time we are going to write a functional interface. In last video we saw predicate function interface. Now we are talking about function interface. And yeah, the method takes a function as an argument which represents a transformation to be applied on each element of the stream. Okay, and okay, so that's just overview how map works. So requirement is quite same. Let me just copy this as this, and let's call this map method demo. Okay, so I will have a collection ready, and I can remove these lines. Okay, so I have a collection. I want to transform every single element present inside it. So let's suppose my requirement is whatever elements are there, increment them by 5. Okay, so let's do this thing. So whatever collection we have, we will write a map for that. So every element get passed through that map, and we will do a transformation. So element 0 will become 5, 10 become 15, 2 becomes 7. That's how it proceed. So first of all, we have to take a reference, that is integers, then call stream on it. That's how you can access all the methods from the stream interface, and then dot call map. And if I check its documentation, hold control and click, you will see it is taking a function. Okay, so we have to write a function interface with lambda. So here goes function, and here you have to tell the type, what it takes, and what will result type. So it is taking integer, and result will be also of integer type. And let's call this fn, anything you can call it. Then I'm passing I, so I goes here, then arrow, then I plus 5. That's it. Yep, we have to return it. So if you're returning it, no need to write return keyword. If it is just a one line code in your lambda expression, you can just leave it as this way. Okay, so my function interface is ready, and I can call function, not function, just fn. So by default, map will call its method, that apply method from there, and it will work. And then once it's transformed, time for collection. So collect dot collectors dot to list, and done. And then hold its reference in a new list. So list will take integers. I'll just call it transformed list, right? Just any name which makes more sense. So sys out, here I'll use the same way all elements, and I'll plus integers, so it print all, and here I'll call this transform list or transformed elements, and here use the reference. Done. So let's test and see how it's working. Application, there we go. So original was 0 10 2, now it's become 5 15 7 14 8 9 6. So for every element we are getting plus 5. So that's one of the transformation. I just give you an idea. You can think of any requirement, whatever requirement you have, and accordingly you can write your map. And map takes function, so you should know what is functional interface, how to write its lambda expression. So guys, that's how you can use map. And let's continue the series, and let's see what else we have in next video. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet next video. Bye.